Explore genius truck inventions that redefine innovation in transportation, setting new standards in safety, efficiency, and operational excellence. Man Front Detection. The Man Front Detection System revolutionizes commercial vehicle safety by enhancing driver awareness and preventing collisions. This advanced feature uses cutting-edge sensors and radar technology to deliver real-time alerts for obstacles, pedestrians, and vehicles up to 200 meters ahead. With high-resolution detection capabilities, it enables precise warnings, allowing drivers to react quickly, ultimately reducing accident rates by up to 40%. Reliable in various weather conditions and effective at speeds between 0 and 120 kilometers per hour, this robust system is essential for safe driving in both urban and highway environments. Its proven impact on reducing front-end collisions underscores its significance in improving transportation, safety, and efficiency. Right Track Systems. Right Track Systems provides innovative track solutions that enhance traction and mobility for heavy vehicles in challenging terrains. Constructed from high-strength, abrasion-resistant materials, these systems ensure durability and a lifespan exceeding 10 years. They improve vehicle traction by up to 40%, making them essential for operations in mud, snow, and other tough environments. Quick and easy to install, these systems are compatible with various vehicle types. Field tests show a 30% increase in operational efficiency and a 25% reduction in fuel consumption, significantly enhancing vehicle stability and performance in demanding conditions. Highway Hammocks. Highway hammocks offer an innovative solution for long-haul drivers seeking comfort and rest during their journeys. Constructed from durable materials that support up to 150 kilograms, these hammocks are easy to install in under 10 minutes within the truck cabin. Research shows that drivers using highway hammocks experience a 30% reduction in fatigue and a 25% boost in driving performance. By providing ergonomic support for comfortable sleeping, these hammocks significantly enhance driver well-being and safety, contributing to a 20% decrease in accidents caused by fatigue, making them essential for long-haul vehicles. Milwaukee Roadshow. The Milwaukee Roadshow is a cutting-edge mobile tool demonstration unit that showcases the latest in tool technology directly to industry professionals. Equipped with over 200 of Milwaukee's advanced tools, this mobile unit travels efficiently to various locations for hands-on demonstrations and training. Built for durability and housed in a reinforced trailer, the Roadshow ensures the safety of its contents. Typically attracting over 500 participants per event, 95% report increased confidence in using the tools, leading to a 30% rise in immediate purchases. By connecting innovation to application, the Milwaukee Roadshow enhances tool knowledge and drives sales growth. Harsh Flip & Go. The Harsh Flip & Go is a groundbreaking truck bed cover system designed for seamless cargo handling. Featuring a quick deploy mechanism, it enables rapid loading and unloading, enhancing operational efficiency by up to 50%. Made from high-strength, weather-resistant materials, this cover withstands extreme conditions and boasts a lifespan exceeding 10 years with heavy-duty use. Deploying in under 30 seconds minimizes downtime and labor costs. Able to secure loads up to 1,000 kilograms, the Flip & Go protects goods during transit, making it an invaluable asset for logistics and transportation businesses that prioritize safety and efficiency. Halo Tire Inflator. The Halo Tire Inflator is an innovative automatic tire inflation system that maintains optimal tire pressure, significantly improving vehicle safety and fuel efficiency. With advanced sensors and real-time monitoring, it keeps tire pressure within 2 psi of the optimal level, enhancing fuel efficiency by up to 10%, leading to substantial cost savings for fleet operators. Additionally, it extends tire life by 20%, reducing replacement frequency and costs. Its robust design ensures effective operation in various temperatures, while easy installation can be completed in under 30 minutes. By maintaining proper tire pressure, the Halo system enhances vehicle handling, safety, and reduces blowout risks by 50%. iCap Security. iCap Security delivers advanced surveillance solutions designed to enhance vehicle safety and security. This cutting-edge system integrates high-definition cameras, motion sensors, and real-time alert capabilities, ensuring comprehensive monitoring and threat detection. With 360-degree coverage, iCap Security eliminates blind spots, providing unparalleled situational awareness. Its robust design enables operation in extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Data shows a 70% reduction in theft and vandalism incidents, significantly improving asset protection. Easy to install and compatible with various vehicles, iCap Security features night vision and remote monitoring, making it essential for modern security operations. Stinger Stacker 8500. The Stinger Stacker 8500 is a high-capacity vehicle stacker designed to maximize efficiency in vehicle transport and logistics. Capable of handling up to 8,500 pounds per lift, it facilitates quick and safe loading and unloading of multiple vehicles. Its hydraulic lift system offers smooth operation, reducing loading times by up to 50% compared to traditional methods. Built with high-strength steel, the Stinger Stacker 8500 is durable, boasting a service life exceeding 15 years. Equipped with advanced safety features, it minimizes accident risks. Field tests indicate a 30% increase in operational efficiency and a 20% reduction in labor costs, making it invaluable for vehicle logistics companies. ISTOBAL HeavyWash. INTRAWASH, the ISTOBAL HeavyWash. INTRAWASH is a state-of-the-art cleaning system for large commercial vehicles, delivering thorough and efficient washes to maintain fleet cleanliness and performance. Featuring high-pressure nozzles, rotating brushes, and eco-friendly detergents, it removes 99% of grime and contaminants in a single wash cycle. Built with industrial-grade materials, it boasts a lifespan exceeding 10 years and minimal maintenance. Automated operation reduces wash times by 40%, cleaning up to 50 vehicles per day. Its water recycling capabilities cut water usage by 60%, making it environmentally friendly. Regular maintenance, facilitated by HeavyWash, INTRAWASH contributes to a 25% increase in vehicle lifespan, enhancing performance and reducing long-term costs. BMF Robson Drive System. The BMF Robson Drive System is an advanced drivetrain technology that optimizes vehicle performance by ensuring smooth power delivery across terrains. Engineered with high-precision components, it enhances torque distribution, improving acceleration by up to 25% and fuel efficiency by 15%. Designed to withstand extreme conditions, its durability rating exceeds 200,000 kilometers under heavy-duty use. This system minimizes maintenance needs, reducing downtime by 20% and operational costs by 18%. With advanced electronics for real-time monitoring and adaptive adjustments, it ensures optimal performance, significantly improving handling and stability for commercial and industrial vehicles.